Welcome to a journey through the cutting-edge realm of robotic innovation. Join us as we explore the latest breakthroughs in speed and agility, pushing the boundaries of what robots can achieve. Join us as we delve into the realm of the world's fastest robots, showcasing their breathtaking feats and groundbreaking advancements. At Xiaopeng Automotive Tech Day, Xiaopeng Motors unveiled the PX5, their first self-developed humanoid bipedal robot. It boasts exceptional walking and obstacle crossing abilities with advanced joints for stability. Indoors or outdoors, it can traverse obstacles for over 2 hours. The PX5 has lightweight arms, dexterous hands, and a hybrid drive scheme for easy object manipulation. Weighing just 430 g, it integrates control and drive with tactile perception. Though 1.5 m tall now, future versions aim for longer strides, targeting 10 km with a load and 100 km without stumbling. In August 2012, the Cheetah robot, characterized by its 4 legs, achieved a remarkable speed of 28 miles per hour, setting a new record for the fastest land speed attained by a legged robot. Concurrently, another robot named Cheetah, developed by MIT's Biomimetic Robotics Lab, showcased its own remarkable advancements. By 2014, it demonstrated the ability to leap over obstacles while running, and by 2018, it had mastered the skill of climbing stairs. Subsequent iterations such as Little Dog and Alpha Dog further refined the original design, culminating in the development of the Legged Squad Support System, LS3, in 2012. This updated version boasted enhanced versatility, enabling it to operate effectively across a wide range of environments. Artemis, a humanoid robot developed by UCLA mechanical engineers, stands at 4 feet 8 inches tall and weighs 85 pounds. It excels in maintaining balance, running, and kicking balls, showcasing versatility in bipedal movement across various terrains. Equipped with custom actuators simulating biological muscles, Artemis ensures efficiency and stability under pressure. It employs electrical control and advanced sensors, including foot sensors and head-mounted cameras, to interpret its surroundings. Artemis achieved a remarkable walking speed of 2.1 meters per second during lab tests, establishing itself as the fastest walking humanoid robot globally, with significant potential for robotics advancements. Wildcat is a quadrupedal robot designed to achieve high-speed locomotion across various terrains. Demonstrating impressive capabilities, Wildcat has attained speeds of approximately 16 miles per hour on flat terrain, utilizing bounding and galloping gaits. Developed by Boston Dynamics with funding from DARPA's M3 program, Wildcat represents a significant advancement in robotic mobility. While Wildcat's current top speed of 25 km per hour falls short of Cheetah's 45 km per hour, the reasons behind this disparity remain speculative. Factors such as onboard power limitations, gait efficiency, and the relative novelty of Wildcat as a developing robot may contribute to its current performance level. Additionally, the robot's potential for refinement and optimization suggests room for improvement in future iterations. Furthermore, the extent of Wildcat's performance beyond controlled environments like parking lots remains uncertain. Questions linger regarding its capability for sensor-based obstacle avoidance, a feature crucial for navigating complex and dynamic surroundings akin to those encountered in real-world scenarios. Despite these uncertainties, Wildcat's development heralds promising prospects for advancing robotic mobility and autonomy. LS3, a robust robotic marvel, stands out as one of the fastest competitors despite not matching the lightning pace of Wildcats. Weighing 590 kilograms, LS3 surpasses Wildcats in weight, granting it enhanced toughness and durability. Fueled by a single tank of gas, LS3 can cover an impressive distance of 32 kilometers and remain active for up to 24 hours, carrying a significant load of 182 kilograms of gear. Guided by hydraulic actuators and driven by gasoline or diesel engines, LS-3 demonstrates resilience through rigorous trials, handling payloads of up to 500 kilograms. Equipped with cutting-edge computer vision technology, LS-3 operates independently, sporting 12 joints for leg motion and employing leather for autonomous navigation and seamless coordination in changing surroundings, making it an invaluable asset for supporting soldiers in transporting heavy loads across challenging terrains. Spot Mini, shaped like a penguin, exhibits exceptional talent in jumping, elevating cuteness to a new level. Holding the Guinness World Record for the most skips by a robot in a minute, its agility and speed shine as it flawlessly leaps over ropes, showcasing impeccable timing. With a total of 106 leaps, Spot Mini's achievement highlights its exceptional abilities. Fitted with various sensors, it ensures accuracy in tasks, smoothly clearing ropes without errors. Its soft and fluffy appearance enhances its appeal, making it an enjoyable and extraordinary toy for both kids and adults. Raptors, a bipedal robot developed by CAST, captivated the world with its astonishing speed, drawing inspiration from the swift Velociraptor. This feat earned it a place among the fastest robots globally, setting a remarkable standard in parallel. In 2009, the Department of Biomechanics at FSU Jena introduced a walking robot named Pinocchio. The project aimed to replicate human walking kinematics through robotic means. Umber Lab, situated at Caltech, conducts diverse research spanning from bipedal robotic walking to prosthesis, hybrid systems theory, and cyberphysical and automotive systems. Among their notable creations is Durus, a humanoid robot renowned for its human-like walking, demonstrating natural heel strike and toe push-off behaviors crucial in locomotion. Engineers at Caltech have developed a groundbreaking robot that blends flying and walking to pioneer a new mode of locomotion. Dubbed Leonardo for Legs Onboard Drone, or simply Leo, this robot features a pair of multi-joint legs for bipedal walking, complemented by propeller thrusters that enhance stability and enable hopping and jumping. Leo aims to redefine robotic walking capabilities while addressing challenges posed by hybrid locomotion. Equipped with impressive skills like tightrope walking, stair climbing, and even skateboarding, Leo is reshaping perceptions of future robotic mobility and has the potential to facilitate exploration in challenging environments. A significant milestone in the evolution of our bipedal robot Digit can be traced back to its predecessor, Cassie. In 2021, Cassie achieved a remarkable feat by becoming the first bipedal robot to successfully complete an outdoor 5K run. With its innovative mechanical design inspired by ostrich legs, Cassie served as the foundation for the machine learning algorithm enabling its impressive walking and running capabilities. During its historic 5K run at Oregon State University, Cassie covered over 3 miles on a single battery charge, completing the course in just 53 minutes, a notable achievement both for robots and humans. Unlike humans, Cassie lacks tendons or ligaments for controlling kinetic energy release during movement. Instead, it relies on springs and actuators, employing similar principles of energy storage and release to manage impact forces upon landing. This accomplishment required significant technological advancements, including engineered legs capable of navigating various terrains efficiently and stably, a robust battery system to sustain prolonged activity, and autonomous navigation capabilities to traverse unmapped environments. These innovations culminated in Cassie setting a new standard for bipedal robots, demonstrating its ability to cover long distances and conquer challenging terrains with ease. The Tesla Bot, also referred to as Optimus, epitomizes a pioneering advancement in humanoid robotics, presently undergoing development by Tesla Incorporated. Elon Musk unveiled Optimus Gen 2 in September 2022, presenting an upgraded iteration endowed with enhanced capabilities surpassing mere locomotion and communication. Initially showcased at Tesla's Artificial Intelligence (AI) Day event on 19 August 2021, CEO Elon Musk hinted at the potential construction of a prototype by 2022. Positioned as an autonomous humanoid, the Tesla bot endeavors to address tasks categorized as unsafe, repetitive, or mundane. With commitments to improved walking speed, refined hand dexterity, tactile sensing, and various other enhancements, Optimus Gen 2 is poised for a potential release by the culmination of 2024. The proposed specifications delineate a height of 5 feet 8 inches and a weight of 57 kilograms for the Tesla bot, boosting a carrying capacity of 20 kilograms. Controlled by the same AI system currently in development for Tesla's Advanced Driver Assistance System, it's tailored for tasks deemed hazardous, repetitive, or tedious, such as manufacturing assistance. Despite initial hurdles, including the imperative to design and fabricate custom actuators due to the absence of suitable off-the-shelf options, Tesla has made remarkable progress. By September 2023, the company unveiled a video demonstrating Optimus engaging in novel activities, showcasing its proficiency in sorting colored blocks, spatial limb localization, and flexibility through yoga poses. In September 2023, Limex Dynamics, a general-purpose legged robot company based in Shenzhen, China, released a W1-wheeled quadruped robot. Based on Limex Dynamics' motion intelligence technology, W1 is equipped with perception and motion control algorithms and multiple proprietary actuators. Kast's AI robot, Hound, broke the 100-meter quadruped robot world record. Developed by Kast's Dynamic Robot Control and Design Laboratory, Hound clocked 19.87 seconds on an outdoor track in Dezhou on 26 October. It also potentially set a second record indoors, reaching a top speed of 6.5 meters per second on a treadmill, surpassing MIT's Cheetah 2, which recorded 6.4 seconds. The Unitree BW, a groundbreaking wheel-legged robot, is transforming the world of robotic technology with its exceptional versatility and speed. Its innovative features redefine what's possible in the field. It seamlessly blends legged agility with wheel speed, offering unparalleled adaptability. With speeds reaching up to 22 miles per hour on flat surfaces, it sets a new standard for robotic mobility. Navigating challenging environments like stairs and uneven surfaces with remarkable ease ensures efficiency in various scenarios. From search and rescue missions to maintenance tasks, logistics, and even entertainment, the Unitree BW showcases its versatility across a wide range of applications. Beyond its impressive speed and adaptability, its modular design facilitates easy maintenance and customization, ensuring longevity and adaptability to evolving needs. Powered by a sophisticated onboard computer, it operates autonomously, enhancing efficiency and reliability. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, it gains a comprehensive understanding of its surroundings, enabling precise navigation and interaction. By embracing an open-source approach, it encourages collaboration and innovation among developers, paving the way for continuous improvement and expansion of its capabilities. The Unitree BW represents a remarkable advancement in robotics, bridging the gap between speed and maneuverability. With its unmatched capabilities, it opens up new possibilities in sectors such as rescue operations, maintenance, logistics, and beyond, showcasing the transformative potential of modern robotics. In 2009, at Zurich's Robotic Systems Lab began a project to create a four-legged robot for harsh environments. The result is Animal, a sleek, high-performance robot capable of sprinting, climbing, and operating elevators. Its advanced sensory system, with laser sensors and cameras, enables precise navigation. Despite weighing 30 kilograms, Animal can carry up to 10 kilograms and run for 2 hours on a single charge. Developed by its spin-off Antibiotics, Animal heralds a new era in autonomous robotics. LeMax Dynamics Biped Robot P1 embodies groundbreaking innovation, featuring state-of-the-art zero-shot learning technology. Functioning under completely transparent testing conditions, P1 adeptly maneuvered through wilderness environments with unmatched precision and stability. Through the power of reinforcement learning, P1 effortlessly adapted to various terrains, highlighting its extraordinary capabilities. Additionally, LeMax Dynamics stands at the forefront of manipulation and locomanipulation techniques for humanoid robots, promising further advancements in robotic innovation. Atrias, a bipedal robot crafted by researchers at Oregon State University's Dynamic Robotics Laboratory, exhibits the ability to walk at a pace of approximately 3 miles per hour, requiring support from multiple individuals to maintain balance. Successfully showcasing its walking prowess outdoors in April 2015 marked a significant milestone for its developers. Atrias also made a notable appearance at the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge in Pomona, California. Inspired by the swift movement of ground-dwelling birds like chickens, the designers aspire to elevate Atrias to become the fastest bipedal robot globally. Mabel, a bipedal robot, holds the title of the fastest two-legged robot globally, distinguished by her human-like knees. Running at 6.8 miles per hour, she surpasses human capabilities in maintaining speed and endurance. While she may be outrun in short sprints, Mabel excels in long-distance running, navigating obstacles with agility and adaptability. Her creators aim to challenge conventional methods by designing a robot capable of maintaining pace in challenging terrain, showcasing the potential of robotics. Mabel's exceptional abilities continue to fascinate and inspire, representing a significant advancement in the field. A research team, headed by Sebastian Cotton and associated with Robotics Unlimited and the Florida Institute for Human and Machine Cognition, created the innovative Outrunner robot. Standing at under 2 feet tall and weighing around 3 pounds, it resembles Pac-Man with its black body. Equipped with motors and processing units, each side boasts 3 legs extending from rotating motors. Initially controlled by radio, the team plans to develop a mobile app for remote operation via Wi-Fi. Agile and swift, the robot runs on alternating feet, achieving speeds up to 20 miles per hour and can operate for 2 hours on a single battery charge. Staubli Robotics stands as a prominent global figure in industrial automation, renowned for its engineering prowess and unwavering technical support, acknowledged for both efficiency and reliability. Offering a diverse range of solutions, from SCARA and 6-axis industrial robots to cobots, mobile robot systems, and automated guided vehicles, Staubli's high-precision offerings empower clients across various industries to address the demands of Industry 4.0 with confidence. The Unri H1 represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, originating from Unri, an innovative Chinese startup recognized for its expertise in quadruped robotics. Standing at approximately 180 centimeters tall and weighing around 47 kilograms, the H1 debuts as Unri's first humanoid robot. Enhanced with a 3D LiDAR sensor and depth camera for perception, the H1 possesses the ability to gather precise spatial data and conduct panoramic scanning. Internally, it features high-torque joint motors and gear trains, delivering a maximum joint torque of 360 nanometers. With 5 degrees of freedom in the leg joints and 4 in the arms, the Unri H1 utilizes embodied AI technology, integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to interact intelligently with its surroundings. Displaying human-like understanding and response capabilities, the H1 demonstrates versatile and precise movements across various applications. It autonomously navigates and traverses complex terrains and environments, achieving a walking speed exceeding 1.5 meters per second and a potential top speed surpassing 5 meters per second. Notably, its competitive pricing, below $90,000, democratize access to advanced robotic technology, expanding its applicability to a broader market. Despite its lightweight construction and towering stature, the H1 maintains stability even under significant shocks at its stability points. With a leg length of 400 mm and an arm length of 338 mm, the H1 showcases remarkable physical specifications, enabling its deployment across diverse industries, services, and applications, signaling the onset of a new industrial revolution in robotics.